For humans and chicken alike, sunlight is essential for day-old chicken, as it gives them a sense of time, provides them with an easy source of vitamin D, and in turn provides a vast array of health benefits. The newly hatched chicken require 3,000 to 4,000 IU per kilogram of vitamin D daily. This can be easily achieved by allowing your day-old chickens 15 to 30 minutes outside in the sunlight each day. Please keep watching to learn the reason why sunlight is great for your day-old chicken. Number 1. Vitamin D provided by sunshine can increase nutrient absorption. A chicken that absorbs more calcium to have a stronger bones. Number 2. Sunlight also promotes overall health. A chicken's uropygial gland, also referred to as the praying gland or oil gland, is located at the base of their tail. It secretes an oil that they will spread all over their feathers as they preen. When exposed to sunlight, this produces additional vitamin D. Number 3. Sunlight reduces pathogens. Allowing sunlight into your chicken's run will prevent it from being overrun with bacteria and mold. For this reason, it is important to ensure that the run is not fully enclosed. Number 4. The sun allows chicken to determine when they should wake up and when they should sleep. The cycle of the sunrise and sunset control a chicken's circadian rhythms. This is why a rooster will often crow at sunrise. The overall, if missing a sunlight or inadequate amount of sunlight can cause deficiency of vitamin D, might experience a range of health issues on day-old chicken. A vitamin D deficiency in a day-old chicken can lead to 1. Brittle bones, 2. Wry neck, 3. Splayed or weak legs, 4. Trouble walking and standing, 5. Osteoporosis or rickets, 6. Deformed keels, 7. Stunted growth, 8. Soft or broken nails, toes, or beaks. Finally, the chicken loves spending time outside in the sun. However, too much sunshine is never good for day-old chicken. Always ensure your chickens have a source of shade to cool down when the temperatures run high. But if provide your chicken with proper amount of sunlight with a good schedule, reap the health benefits.